Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and today I want to talk about how much memory, RAM memory, do you actually need in your rugged laptop? Well, most rugged laptops the memory is upgradable. For example, in the Dell 5430 or the Panasonic Toughbook FZ55 are great examples of upgradable memory. The amount of memory you need is going to depend on your usage. So the sweet spot is 16 gig. That's basically the recommended amount if you're just doing standard spreadsheet, internet surfing, that sort of thing. 16 gigs will run your operating system on any of your rugged laptops, and you'll be very happy. Now, the next version up would be 32 gigs, and this is for the pro user. So the pro user is someone that's going to be processing data, a large amount of data, or maybe having multiple programs open at the same time doing work. The next step up obviously is 64 gig, and that's for the super user. That's the guy that is not only processing huge amounts of data on site, but maybe doing some AI work and that sort of thing. So you need that processing memory combination to make that work for the rugged laptop. And by the way, if you need to upgrade the memory in your rugged laptop, reach out to us at bobjohnson.com. The good news is these rugged laptops have an easy way to upgrade the memory. For example, like this FZ55, for example, there's simply a door on the bottom that you unscrew one screw, and there'll be 2 slots for you to upgrade the memory. Makes it really easy. Another great thing about these laptops, because it is so easy and user-friendly to upgrade, you do not need to buy the memory and break the bank when you first buy the unit. You can see if the 16 gigs, for example, is enough for you, and then later on down the road, oh, I need 32 gig. You can buy the extra stick of memory and pop it in your unit, and you'll have 32 gigs of RAM. Just all you would do is pay for the memory at that time. Those are the good news about these basically fully rugged and semi-rugged laptops. Easy to upgrade memory. Now, some versions aren't upgradable, like a lot of the tablets are not upgradable, and some examples would be like the CF33 or the FZG2. Those you have to buy with the amount of memory that you're going to need to run the task and programs that you're going to want to run, that you're using the unit for. Well, that's basically all I got for you today. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, please, and I'll see you guys next week.